In the fast-evolving world of digital marketing, businesses everywhere are wondering how AI-powered search engines like SearchGPT will affect their traffic and rankings. It's time to embrace this change, and in today's video, we'll show you how businesses can use SearchGPT to boost traffic and revenue. First things first, what exactly is SearchGPT? It's an AI-powered answer search engine by OpenAI. Unlike traditional search engines that rely on algorithms and keyword rankings, SearchGPT gives concise, conversational answers tailored to the user's query. Imagine chatting with a virtual assistant who understands exactly what you're asking. It's fast, direct, and based on real-time, contextual information. But how is SearchGPT different from traditional search engines? Well, traditional search engines give you links to browse through. But with SearchGPT, you get a direct, conversational response to your question. And here's the kicker, users can even ask follow-up questions, creating an ongoing conversation. So, does this mean traditional search engines are out? Not entirely. Google is experimenting with AI features, but SearchGPT is taking a different, more direct approach. Now, you might be wondering, will my website traffic drop if I optimize for SearchGPT? While yes, the click-through rates may dip, it's not the end of your traffic. It's simply a shift in how users engage with content. But don't worry, there's still plenty of opportunity to drive traffic to your site using SearchGPT and AI-driven searches. Let's dive into some actionable strategies. Tip number 1, be conversational with your content. Forget the rigid, keyword-focused writing of the past. The future is about answering questions in a natural, conversational tone. Think about how someone would ask Siri or SearchGPT a question. Your content should be tailored to answer these real-life queries. This means updating your FAQs, blogs, and website content to reflect the language of your audience. For example, instead of targeting just best lawnmowers, aim for how do I choose the best lawnmower for a small garden? Tip number 2, structure your content with clear headers. Headings like H1, H2, and H3 help both readers and AI-driven search engines understand your content better. Use question-based headers like how does my business qualify for tax incentives? And then follow with a clear and concise explanation. This makes it easier for SearchGPT to grab the right answer for users. Tip number 3, implement Schema Markup. This is an essential tool for both traditional SEO and SearchGPT optimization. Schema Markup helps search engines better understand your content, so make sure to include key details like your business name, products, and services. Tip number 4, write more long-form, detailed content. SearchGPT loves in-depth, thorough answers. So, when you write blog posts or guides, make sure to cover the topic comprehensively. For example, if you're writing about how to start an online boutique, go into detail on every aspect, from product selection to marketing strategies. Include a table of contents for easy navigation. And here's a bonus tip to keep your traffic flowing, use interactive content. Whether it's downloadable tools, calculators, or engaging polls, interactive content offers value and encourages visitors to engage with your site. Answer search engines like SearchGPT will refer to your website if they recognize that your content is helping users solve their problems. So, get creative with interactive videos, webinars, and tools to keep the traffic coming. The key takeaway here is that SearchGPT is changing the game, but it's not the end of the world for your website traffic. It's about adapting and optimizing your content for AI-driven searches. So, embrace conversational content, use clear headings, and implement Schema Markup. Add some detailed guides and interactive elements to keep users coming back for more. Ready to optimize your website for the future of AI search engines? Reach out to IndeedSEO, and let's drive your traffic together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more digital marketing tips and strategies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.